Yeah, I did.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm kind of as close as possible and now I'll take the camera. Mario, give me the camera. There's a show in here.
Where? Say, talk, Hassan.
So this is a horse. So see there, my buddy horse is pulling me to the place I want. So go ahead. Point, not look.
So the horse used to carry all these people around, huh?
Yeah, a long time ago. Sharif, right, how are you? Okay, go ahead.
And there's a show in here that you really have to listen to.
Okay, go in.
Okay. I think I'm scared.
Cooper, who owned a 3,000-acre tract of land in the Kansas section of Baltimore, has been closely following the process of the rail system in England, and was well aware that the success of the rail system here in Maryland would add significant value to his property. Cooper contacted representatives from the B&O and told them
Mom, come in. Mom, do you want to come in? Come in, Mom. Why not you? It says here that the children have to be their adults.
This was before like a train. They used to
I know.
people with this one. They used to
It
hold
was
them.
nice though.
Remember, they have to be right on the teeth.
You don't need to film this. Let's stand off this. Okay, let's get out. Hi, Sharifa. Hi, princess. Come on, stand off. Off now. Okay, let's go to the